Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can start from scratch on your eBay dropshipping business.
Baby, I'm a gangster too. Baby, I'm a gangster too. Baby, I'm a gangster too.
Hello everyone, my name is Akın. In this video inside you're gonna see how you can start on your eBay store, how you can try the list, and how you can find the winning product, and also after sales how you can ship your customer automatically. In this video I will show you step by step how I'm doing and also how you can start from scratch on your eBay business dropshipping today. Right now, when you try to sell on eBay and then different other marketplace. So for example, if you are the Amazon seller or if you are doing the Shopify business, they are absolutely different than eBay. Yeah, in this both scenario, we try to sell our customers as much as we can in the good and high quality. However, in eBay dropshipping, really easy and simple. I will show you in a minute how you can do it, and if you watch this video till the end, you can start on your eBay dropshipping business as well. Right. First of all, you should choose your marketplace. You can be United Kingdom, you can be United States, or it can be some different marketplace. In this scenario, I will show you how you can start on your United Kingdom. But however, you can start any different country, which country you want to sell, and if which country you know all rules. First of all, I just go eBay and try to open eBay store. First of all, you just need to write your name, surname, and your email. After that, you register on eBay as a buyer. First of all, first things first, please do not try to list straight away same item like 100 items in the minute. This doesn't work anymore. So please make sure at least you inside 1 month try to list like a 4-5 second-hand item. It can be books, it can be chair, it can be any clothes or shoes or something else. You make sure you just take this picture with your phone, or if you're not, please make sure you just delete all meta information from your picture, because eBay can track where you download this picture. After that, when you start to list, and make sure you give all correct information and as much as you can this information to your listing. And also please make sure you just get some cookies from eBay, because eBay want to track you what you're doing, and if you're doing everything regularly, your account will be safe. And after this period, you can just go to, I will bring the link in the under this video. You just go to HustleGoTrail. When you go to HustleGoTrail, this program and software, it will be 10 item free. So you can try how it's work. If not work, and you can just try around. I work like more than ages now. I really highly recommend. What you should be do, just go to HustleGoTrail and catalog. When you just come here, you will have a 10 item free. So when you just come here, you choose your supplier. In this scenario, I'm gonna choose the Costco. You can choose anyone. Costco, because you should have a card. Let's make simple, because maybe let's go to Zooplus, and then I just put the minimum profit £5. And when you just you can choose any, you can put even if you want £10. And then what gonna be, they will show you item when people selling retail price then higher than £10. So in this scenario, what I find, let's do £10 again. And then Zooplus, they're gonna research. Also, you can go straight to Zooplus and find item, but it's gonna take time. In this scenario, I find this item. This item, Katarina Cat 3, is like almost £19, and they usually cost £66 to us when we're gonna buy, and then £10 profit. Also, there is almost 10% is the eBay fees, and also there is a PayPal fees, but in system is changed, and if you get the managed payment system, it's still difficult, but around something 14% we give commission. Just keep on your mind. So let's say you sell the item £100, £14 is gonna be go to eBay, and what's the rest, it is yours, and you should be buying this money for your item, and you should pay your fees, and after fees, and you can pay your VAT and all other stuff. So I find this item and I'm gonna list this item. What I should do, there is a two option. You can just click one list item and then list. Also, it's gonna be just link to your item store. Also, if you want to, what you can do, you can just go to Zooplus. I'm gonna take this link. I will go to Zooplus because I know I list this item from Zooplus. Let's go Zooplus. And then just type your title here, and then as you can see, this items come over here, and the 60 review is really good. If you download Hasselgot Reel extension, it will be pop up over here, and just click here, and then you will get information, and just change the title, give some different description, just change the description, and just play around, which is really good for you. And after that, you just list this item in the minute on your eBay store. And after, when you list this item, guys, it's really so simple. Look, I teach more than 20,000 on system showing like that, but I pitch really more than 20,000 people, and they really is like so helpful, and it's working 100% right now. So you can do same exactly what we do, because when you do like this, it is really system, the algorithm, because everyone tried to list from the Amazon. Yeah, also it's still working on Amazon, but it's eBay doesn't like when you're doing the retail drop shipping. Now they like the wholesale. Of course, Zooplus is not the wholesales. However, there is some way you can do so. And this scenario, you can just list from the, if you want, I mostly choose the Costco, but you can choose the Zooplus or any different supplier on Hasselgot listing. As you can come here, you can choose which one you want to list it. Okay, so when you list this item, and what gonna be do, you can also find the winning product. Also, you can research always anytime with Zik Analytic, or there is a different way you can find it. If you want to research how you can find, just come here, product research, type the category, and then in this scenario, we're gonna do pet. So let's look the pet. And they're gonna show what's selling right now on pet category. And this system, I see this item is selling very well, because sold more than even 3,000 or something like 8,000 this item. And they really so cheap product. So I'm not going to for cheap product to sell, because their profit margin really so small. But you can do if you want to. So I'm just showing how you can find and how you can see your customer want what they want to buy. So you should be find kind of similar item, then you can sell more. And after that, also if you, this is the paid server, so you can just use Zik Analytic for find the item. Also, you can go to digital market mentoring. I'm gonna bring all links down below the description, so you can come here. You can just type here to pet. It's gonna be free, so you can use anytime. Just come here, just type the pet, and then you can see 16 sold in 24 hours. And this is like a, as you can see over here, this item sold like a lot. So you can just try to list this item, or try to list this item, or try to list all others item. You can have a look. You will see all information. Look, there's 24 hours sold 19 times. It's crazy. Just click this item and go this guys and just try to find similar and cheaper. In this scenario, I find which is the from Zooplus, this one, because I want to sell a little bit higher profit margin, not like a 2 pound, 3 pound. You can do so, but as I'm telling, if you start new, you should do for feedback. And then when your store is growing up, you can just list as much as you want until eBay give you a limit. So in this scenario, yeah, I did how it's supposed to be. And then lastly, what you're gonna do, and people go to purchase. You got to let's say in this scenario, you got to order, yeah. How you should be send your customer. Let's say you just go to Zooplus and you just come here. Let's say this scenario, one guy's get an order. I'm just trying to find some random order. Lastly, and when people, okay, doesn't capture, it's okay. So if you're using the VA Ninja, what gonna be do for you? Or there is so many software you can do it, but I really highly recommend. This is the VA Ninja. if you see there is people non-stop to purchase and system automatically send them. And like, look, there is £153 and 109 I bought it. Is like around something £25. There is the fee, PayPal fees, as you can see over here, £60 eBay, VAT almost £3, and PayPal got it £4, something like this, and I got £12 profit, and then other 12, and other 8, and other 8. And also the system working proper. When I got to order, system automatically take my credit card and the payment and send directly to my customer. So in the minute, I don't need to worry about how to ship all items from to my customer, all information, and it is really waste of time. When you have like at least per day 5 between 10 order, it is okay, you can do so. But when you go higher, it is really difficult to manage all things, and you need to track all your order, where is the item, where is the tracking information, and all other stuff. It is really a great solution. It's working on the Amazon, Sesame, and Banggood. However, if you do different marketplace and if you need to change the tracking number, anytime you can come here and you can go tracker face, and also you can convert your tracking number in also tracker face as well. All you have to do is just text here on the what you want to do, and then just try to start the chat, and then we will help you to convert your tracking number if you need also. And then yeah, as you can see guys, there is so many order, like you got like around, if you just scroll down, like I'm not sure, but this is like 11, almost £12,000, and just even not 1 month you can do so. I really highly recommend you do so, and you will get really a lot of money if you know what you're trying to do. It is really so simple guys, and I hope you can start this straight away. And then, as I'm telling you, please do not rush when you start on your eBay store. Just step by step. Yes, you can make this money even more than you can make it, but you should play the game with rules. And if you play without rules, they're gonna give you suspension. Please make sure you're doing everything correctly, and try as much as you can give value to for eBay platform. And if you want to learn more, anytime you can contact with us with digitalmarketmentoring.com, and we will try to help you as much as we can. And also we have so many big groups, and I will bring all link under this video. You can just join this Telegram, Discord, and Facebook or other group, and you can ask any question, and we will try to help you as soon as possible. I hope this video was enjoyable for you guys, and if you have any question, please just comment on this video, and we will try to help you as well. And see you the next one guys. All the best for you.